Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8551 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 1 8085 microprocessor. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the data transfer concept of 8085 microprocessor. We see the presentation. The data transfer can be either in two forms, namely parallel data transfer and a serial data transfer respectively. By the programmed input and access, or rather transferring the data in parallel, the data transfer can be possible by using the input and output programmed part or by direct memory access DMA scheme. For transferring the data in parallel, we have three different ways by means of which processor communicating with the input and output. What are the three different ways? Number one, basic or simple data transfer scheme. Second one, status check data transfer. Third one, interrupt driven data transfer. Now, the basic or simple data transfer scheme. The simplest data transfer scheme is the basic or simplest data transfer. This method is beneficial to use when we have accurate knowledge of the input and output device timing characteristics. Okay, to learn the timing input and output devices of timing characteristics in the internal interfaces and the external interfaces. Now the status check data transfer. The status check data transfer process is much a more complex process than simple data transfer. We use this method is used when there is a lack of accurate knowledge of the input and output device consisting of the timing characteristics, and the status information is received by the processor regarding the readiness of the input and output device for performing the data transfer. Now, the third way, interrupt driven data transfer. We use this method when 3 lacks accurate knowledge of timing characteristics of the input and output device, which takes maximum time for that device to be read for use. Suppose we reserve for the checking of data transfer, the processor have here the waste hug time in the loop for the device to get ready up to the mark. See, we see the structure of data transfer scheme in the two category, parallel and serial schemes. The parallel schemes divided into programmed input and output and the DMA. The programmed input and output is divided into three category: basic input and output, check status check input and output, interrupt driven input and output data transfer. Now the serial data transport is using the software instruction of microprocessor and the hardware instruction of microprocessor, that is a UART. UART is one of the method of interrupt driven data transfer method. Now in this presentation we are discuss the data transfer concept of 8085 microprocessor. In the next session we are going to discuss the timing diagram of 8085 microprocessor. Thank you for watching this video.